Farming is evolving. With the introduction of autonomous tractors, the agriculture industry is witnessing a seismic shift in operations and efficiency. Imagine a world where tractors operate seamlessly with pinpoint precision, leveraging advanced technologies to improve crop yields and reduce resource usage. In this video, we unveil 10 incredible facts about autonomous tractors that are reshaping the future of farming. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to stay updated with the latest advancements in agri-tech. Let's kick it off with number 10, precision GPS navigation. Imagine your tractor having a built-in sense of direction better than your average sat-nav. Precision GPS navigation allows autonomous tractors to operate with unprecedented accuracy, ensuring each row and furrow is perfectly aligned. This technology significantly reduces the overlap and gaps often seen in traditional farming, thereby maximizing the efficiency of land use. With GPS precision, the amount of seed, fertilizer, and pesticides used can be optimized, reducing waste and environmental impact. Farmers can also monitor and manage their fields remotely, giving them the flexibility to make adjustments in real time. Ultimately, precision GPS navigation not only boosts productivity, but also contributes to more sustainable farming practices, paving the way for a greener future. If precision GPS navigation got you excited, wait until you hear about the marvel that is number 9, AI-driven decision-making. AI-driven decision-making is like having a digital farming guru at your service 24/7. These smart systems analyze an enormous amount of data from various sources such as soil sensors, weather forecasts, and crop health images to make informed decisions. Just imagine your tractor deciding the optimal times to plant, irrigate, and harvest based on real-time conditions and predictive analysis. This level of intelligence not only boosts crop productivity, but also minimizes resource waste and mitigates risk. Farmers can rest easy knowing that their autonomous equipments are making decisions that optimize outputs while adhering to sustainable practices. Next up, we're moving from the predictable logic of AI to the incredible precision of number 8, high-resolution sensors. High-resolution sensors are akin to the eagle eyes of modern farming technology. These advanced sensors can detect minute changes in soil moisture, nutrient levels, and crop health with astounding accuracy. Imagine being able to pinpoint exactly which areas of your field need a little extra TLC, ensuring that resources are used with laser-like precision. Integrating these sensors into your farming routine means catching potential problems before they become costly issues, effectively acting as an early warning system. The end result? Healthier crops, lower operational costs, and a field that's practically whispering thank you for the attentive care. As we move from the eagle eyes of high-resolution sensors to the brainy brilliance of our next technological marvel, brace yourselves for number 7, real-time data analysis. Real-time data analysis might just be the secret weapon in a farmer's arsenal. Imagine having the ability to process vast amounts of data instantly, providing actionable insights on the fly. This feature empowers farmers to make swift decisions based on current conditions rather than historical data. Whether it's adjusting irrigation schedules to combat a sudden dry spell or diagnosing a nutrient deficiency before it hampers crop growth, real-time data ensures nothing slips through the cracks. The immediate benefit? Increased efficiency, reduced waste, and crops that flourish like never before, all thanks to the ability to react to changes in real time. Next up, number 6, automated plowing and seeding, the unsung hero ready to dig deep and plant the seeds of success. Think of it as the Tony Stark of farming tech, innovative, reliable, and always a step ahead. Automated plowing and seeding systems revolutionize the way we approach soil preparation and planting. These sophisticated machines are designed to operate with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring each seed is planted at just the right depth and spacing for optimal growth. The process reduces manual labor and minimizes errors, allowing farmers to cover larger areas in less time. Additionally, the consistent and precise application fosters uniform crop growth, leading to higher yields and better quality harvests. It's like having a team of expert gardeners working tirelessly around the clock, giving your farm the meticulous care it deserves. So, you've got the brains of real-time data analysis and the brawn of automated plowing and seeding. But what happens when our farming marvels encounter an unexpected challenge? Enter number 5, obstacle detection systems, the vigilant bodyguard ensuring nothing stands in the way of your agricultural ambitions. Obstacle detection systems leverage advanced sensors and AI algorithms to identify and navigate around potential hazards in the field. This technology is crucial in preventing costly damage to equipment and crops. Imagine a tractor smart enough to dodge a stray tree branch or avoid a wandering animal without missing a beat. This is the kind of futuristic farming made possible by these systems. Not only do they enhance operational safety, but they also ensure work continues seamlessly, even in less than ideal conditions. The result: a significant reduction in downtime and maintenance costs, keeping your farm running smoothly and efficiently. Just as you were getting comfortable with unmatched safety and efficiency, we're about to crank up the tech dial. Introducing number 4, variable rate technology, the farming equivalent of an artist's fine brushwork. Variable rate technology, VRT, tailors the application of inputs such as fertilizers, pesticides, and water with pinpoint precision. Imagine only delivering just the right amount of fertilizer to a specific area that needs it most, rather than a blanket approach. This reduces waste and ensures that your crops receive exactly what they need for optimal growth. By utilizing detailed field maps and soil data, VRT allows farmers to maximize yield while minimizing environmental impact. It's like having a personalized nutritionist for your crops, ensuring every plant is in its prime health, leading to more robust and bountiful harvests. And just when you think farming tech couldn't get any smarter, behold the marvel of number 3, remote monitoring and control, the farmer's version of having eyes everywhere, minus the superhero cape. With this cutting-edge innovation, managing your farm becomes as easy as checking your phone. Remote monitoring and control lets farmers monitor crop conditions, soil moisture, and machinery status anytime, anywhere. Imagine relaxing in your armchair and getting a notification about low soil moisture in the north field. With a tap, you can activate the irrigation system, keeping your crops hydrated without leaving your living room. This oversight allows real-time decisions, reduces human error, and optimizes resource use. You save time, labor, and avoid unnecessary field trips, leading to more efficient farm management and increased productivity. And if you thought farming was starting to sound like a scene out of a sci-fi movie, buckle up because we're taking it to the next level with number 2, energy efficiency enhancements. Get ready to turbocharge your farming operations without blasting through your energy budget. Energy efficiency enhancements focus on optimizing farming energy use, making operations leaner and greener. Using solar-powered machinery, wind turbines, and efficient irrigation systems, farmers can reduce reliance on non-renewable energy. This cuts energy costs and promotes sustainable agriculture. Imagine running your irrigation on solar energy and using wind power to ventilate your barn. These solutions ensure effective energy use, reducing carbon footprint, and promoting a healthier planet for future generations. So, if you think optimizing energy usage is cool, wait until you see how we handle Mother Nature's whims with number 1, weather adaptation systems. Ready to turn unpredictable weather into your farm's secret weapon? Weather adaptation systems take the guesswork out of weather-related farming decisions. With advanced sensors and predictive analytics, you'll receive real-time updates about upcoming weather conditions. Is a frost approaching? Your system will alert you in advance, allowing you to take preventive measures such as activating crop covers or wind machines. During a heat wave, automated cooling systems can kick in, safeguarding your crops from extreme temperatures. These innovative systems not only protect your yield, but also maximize the efficiency of your farming operations, ensuring that your crops thrive despite the unpredictability of weather patterns. Imagine transforming your farm into a powerhouse of efficiency and sustainability with cutting-edge technology at your fingertips. Curious to learn more? Subscribe to our channel and comment below to join the conversation.